Good morning, students. Students, today we are going to continue this chapter, India size and location, and we are going to discuss with you this topic, India and the world. What is the relation between the India and the world? All right, the Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. Alright, the Trans Indian Ocean routes, which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia, provide a strategic central location to India. Students, will try to understand all these 3 points in the map. Okay, students. Students, just see here. This is our country, India. Okay. इंडिया जो कंट्री है उसे येलो कलर से मार्क किया गया है. दिस इज़ द इंडियन लैंड मास. दिस इंडियन लैंड मास कम्स अंडर द एशियन कॉन्टिनेंट and this throughout the brown area, this comes under the Asian continent, and this grey color, this is Europe, green color, this one is Africa. After this you just see North American continent, South American continent, and here Australia. So student, you just see here that Indian land mass, this is the Indian land mass, has a central location between the East and the West Asia. So India, this is India. The eastern part is means this here. The entire part is the eastern part. Japan, this is Japan. We used to call it as a land of rising sun. So Japan is located in the eastern side. After that, Korea, okay, North Korea, South Korea, Taiwan, and Laos, okay, Myanmar, Thailand. All these countries are the Eastern Asian countries. So similarly here this side of India, this side, the left side of India, okay, these are the Western Asian countries. So here which countries will come here? Syria, Jordan, Saudi Arabia here, Iran, Iraq, okay, Bahrain, UAE. So these are the Western Asian countries. So what they are saying that India's position is very strategic here. India is lying between the East Asia as well as the West Asia, and India itself is comes under the South Asia. So we used to call it as India as a South Asian country. All right, you know that India is also a member of SAARC, South Asian Association Regional Cooperation. All right, so just see here the Trans Indian Ocean routes. Okay, that means we are talking about the sea routes. The Trans Indian Ocean routes, which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia, provide a strategic central location to India. That means India is lying in such a position, okay, where India can able to do trade with East Asia also, with Europe also. We can able to do trade with Africa also. We can able to do trade with West Asia, with Australia, with Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia में कौन से countries आएंगे? Singapore, Thailand, not Thailand, sorry, it's Malaysia, Indonesia, Brunei, Philippines. These countries will come. Okay, India can able to do trade with South America, can able to do trade with North America. So for that reason, India's position, okay, is very important here. All right, students, you got this now? Students, next point is here, the Deccan Peninsula protrude into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coast, and with Southeast and the East Asia from the eastern coast. All right, no other country has a long coastline on Indian Ocean as India has, and indeed it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean. All right, what is India's coastline? We have discussed in the previous class, 7,516.5 kilometer. So India's coastline is one of the longest coastline if we compare it with other nation. All right, students. Students, when we are talking about the India and world, okay, then we have to discuss about the Suez Canal also. All right, actually this Suez Canal, it's opened in 1869. Okay, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometer. I can able to show you in the map. Okay, just wait here. Suez Canal is controlled by Egyptian government, and this canal is located between Red Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. And who created this Suez Canal? Who created this? This man, Ferdinand de Lesseps. He was born in 19 November 1805 and died in 7th December 1894. This Ferdinand de Lesseps, it is not mentioned in your book, it's not in your syllabus, but just for the extra knowledge I am telling this. Okay, he was a French diplomat and later developer of the Suez Canal, which in 1869 joined the Mediterranean and the Red Seas, substantially reducing sailing distances and times between Europe and Asia. Students, first of all, you just see the map here, then it will be easy for you to understand what is the importance of Suez Canal. Student, just see here. Just see, this is the map here, India's map here. Okay, this is the map. Just see here. Indian traders, all right, if they have to do trade with Europe in the west, तो वो कहाँ से लेकर जाना पड़ता था उन्हें? पूरा अफ्रीका घूमना पड़ता था. They have to move entire Africa and then they used to reach in Europe. All right, this is called Cape of Good Hope. Indian traders, not only Indian traders, the Asian traders also, if they have to do trade, so they have to go through the Cape of Good Hope of Africa, and then they can able to reach to Europe. But after 1869, all right, traders, they benefited from the Suez Canal. Where the Suez Canal located? Suez Canal is located here. All right, this is the Red Sea and this is the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, so Suez Canal is a link between the Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. ये Suez Canal हो जाने के बाद इंडियन ट्रेडर्स को यहाँ पर पूरे घूमने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है.